gonna switch my camera so you guys can see the beautiful road. It's a little bit dark over here. It's not very sunny. And it's 9:30 right now. We're supposed to hike up the volcano at 11. So hopefully, I'm hoping the sun will sort of come up so we can have a nice view from the volcano. But if not, that's okay. We'll just have a nice hike up the volcano. But the road is so beautiful up here. The air is so nice up here. So nice. And again, after 5 years, you're gonna hike up the volcano Santa Ana again. They built a lot of businesses over here since the last time I was here. Look at this. There was nothing here before. This was just, you could see the view of the lake up here, but now they made it all businesses. It's all businesses. Look at this beautiful road. It's gorgeous up here. You have a beautiful view from both sides. The right side is Lake Coatepeque, and this one is just a nice view of land. We are almost here, and it is actually pretty cool over here. I had to close my window because it's actually pretty cold out here. It's so nice and fresh. Green. And the road is just beautiful. Beautiful. Nice fresh air. Oh, so beautiful. So pretty. So we are just here. We're gonna park our car. This is beautiful. Just gonna park our car and then we're gonna hike up the volcano. So pretty.
Because before all this was dirt road.
Oh wow, yeah, they cleaned it, eh? Right here where all the cars are. So this is our start up of the hike. These little cool stairs. And we have to hurry because we came a little bit late. We thought it's at 11, but the group left at 10, I guess. So they're waiting for us. So we gotta hurry. And this is, I remember this was one of the hardest part of the hike. I'm already tired, but we have to hurry because the group's waiting for us. So the group, we pay $3. I believe I have to pay $6 because I'm international. But if you want to take your private guide, it's $35 for 2 people. So whew. Yeah. And this is where you have to pay. This is where you pay. Looks like the group is waiting for us. Not too big of a group, which is awesome.
Sí, ahí sí ya no suena nada bien. Anteriormente habían pumas, que son los leones de montaña que le dicen en Estados Unidos. También en Canadá, creo.
Sí.
Le dicen. More motivation for my lady.
Well, I'm having some problems, so.
Oh, okay.
This is some rocks over here.
Ask me in a year or two, see how I feel.
It's pretty wet here too because it rained yesterday. And now it's like a forest. Nice and cool. Yes. This is me and Goro hiking. We lucked out because we came a little bit late, so we almost went home. But another group showed up, so we lucked out. Oh, look at these. So beautiful. So big and beautiful. And there's a little tunnel. Really cute. So like I said, this is actually pretty nice because we started hiking at 11 o'clock. So in summertime this will be super hot. But because it is winter and it's a little bit wet, makes it really nice. Very nice. Oh, would have been a beautiful view, but we can't see anything. So we just keep hiking. So this hike is pretty much just for us to go hiking. With this group, we actually hiked really fast. Like super fast. So I actually ran out of breath. But now the group sort of slowed down. So I have time to a little bit to videotape. But yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice. All these volcanic rocks. Yeah, usually when you get a group, normal group, like I say, you only pay $3. But we came a couple minutes left, so they left. So there's private groups which you can get. And private groups are $35. So it depends how big your group is. The bigger the group is, the less you pay. The smaller the group, the more you have to pay. As long as you pay $35. So like I said, we almost left because there was no more groups coming. And last second, the last group came and we actually paid $5 each. So we paid $5 each, so $10. Plus when you enter the little park, you have to pay that $3. If you're international, you pay $6. So I paid $6, Johnny paid $3 to enter the little park. And then extra $10 for the private group, because this is private group. So it's really cool if you have few more people to get your private group, because you can go your own speed. And the tour guide explains everything nicely. So it's nice. But yeah, this is beautiful. Thank God it's not hot right now. I would have been dying because like I said, we were walking so fast. Plus, we paid for parking, which was $3, which is very nice. Last time when we came, we just parked on the street, so we never paid for parking. So you have that option too. But yeah, so here we are. Oh, it's so cold up here. It is so cold up here. No view. No view. So we also met some Canadians. Right, there are in our groups. They're from Coquitlam. We're from Surrey. And they actually live here. They moved here. They're a retired couple with a son. And they just lived 4 kilometers down the volcano. So they come hiking here all the time, which this is something I want to do with Jordan. Like I said, because we already seen a beautiful view and everything. It's pretty much just come for hiking. And if you pay $3, it's worth the trip, the hike. Yeah, so it turned out everything. We thought this whole day is gonna be wasted. All this drive, and was it the same way? It doesn't look the same way.
You should just go back there.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it is. Because he wouldn't do that.
Yeah. So can't see very much. Well, from here you should be able, that I believe it should be Volcano Naisako, but you can't see it. So next time you're gonna try hiking that volcano, which is way steeper. It's shorter distance, but it's way steeper. So here we have a little bit of view. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, and look at all these rocks. Look at all these rocks over here. This is just rock over here. Just rock. And these people from there are from California. So it's very cool. You also meet a bunch of other people. These are cool. Beautiful flowers. Yeah, so when you go with a group, you can see. Last time when we went with a group, we had Russian people from all over the world, which was really neat. Yeah, it's a little bit brighter over here. Not as dark. These are so neat. Yeah, that's Volcano Naisako over there, but we can't see it.
Yeah, it holds your water. That's all I like. And it makes it hella good.
Keep hiking. Very neat. So one group already went down. Very neat. I love it. So nice, and the sun's coming out. There's the group. Came from there. And more hike. More rocks. So I really want to time this hike. Because like I said, last time we didn't time it. And it was with a big group, so it was really slow. And I was stopping everywhere every second to take pictures and videos. This time it's faster. Even though I still stop and take pictures. But I want to see how fast it takes us to get up there. There's Jordan. Yeah, I remember this. So pretty. Right up there. We're gonna go up there. So pretty. Except it was sunny. You'll be able to see a little bit better and nicer. But it is what it is. I'm just happy we didn't waste our day, not hike up here.
No. Oh, yeah.
Have they come these big rocks?
Yeah.
And here's the
So, you
mirador.
up.
Mirador. The looker, we call it. I don't know if there's a word for it, so we call it the looker. Look at these cool stairs.
Where's the lady guy that's standing?
Claro.
Keep on hiking. We don't need a break. Because it's not very hot. And we came here to hike up because Jordan has a break right now from soccer. So it was perfect time to come. Even though we knew there's not gonna be beautiful view, but it's just for a hike. To go all the way up there. Oh, you see a little bit of better view. There's Jordan. Like I said, I'm pretty slow because I stop and take pictures and videos. Next time I gotta bring my husband, who couldn't come today because he has problem with his feet and they were hurting really bad because he's been working quite a bit in our house. So he says there's no way he's gonna make it. So next time. And my parents supposed to come. I believe in December if they can make it. And then we'll get a group, private group, and go our own speed. And in December is when we came here first time. In 18. December 2018 we came here. So it was nice and sunny. So the view was gorgeous. Keep hiking. Like I said, the weather's perfect. But in some parts when it's more open, you can feel the really cold breeze. So I know right on top is going to be pretty cold. Because since last time we came here, it was freezing on the top. I had to put sweaters on. But that was because it was in the morning. And more rocks. Rocks, rocks, rocks.
I think they live on the mountain.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, eh?
Look at this pool.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I thought it was over there, but I couldn't see it. Big lava going down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the birds are singing. This way. I know, so I got confused over here too. Like, which way do we go? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Uh-huh.
Imagine being like your job is a travel YouTuber.
Yeah.
And you just go to every country and do this.
I know, that'd be a dream. Hey? Dream job. Being a tour person, traveling the whole world, seeing all these beautiful places. It's only a dream. Maybe one day you can do that, Gordo. Hey? Cold over here. Look at this. So pretty. Just rocks. Pretty, pretty. Buenas. Keep on hiking. See a little bit more.
Hey!
Beautiful. There's another group coming down. That looks so pretty. More people coming down. A big group.
That's probably the
Yeah, that's the one we missed.
only like $3 a person.
Yeah. Yeah, it's normal price. Because it was like, how many buses up there, hey? No vegetation. So pretty. So pretty. Oh yeah?
It says that one we have to start going down. It's not even 12.
Oh wow. Another group. Lots of people here. I don't know how many groups there was. A lot of people. There were a few buses down there when we parked. So, but yeah.
You have to come this way, you go on the wrong side. See?
On a different spot I seen all these rocks. That's where we're going. I'm just scared of coming back down because over here is not wet and my shoes are so flat and they have no grip at all. I always slide down, so I'm a little bit nervous.